Obisa korwase kiombe kyobochori nechimbebe IEBC litukolia rero mbakora egeikaro amana balikiba mangana korwa sorogongo rwa Nyanza abwase county ya Kisii na Nyamira gosabalike korwase chinsemecho na barabwo bagendrete gwikirana omusangerekano yogokoreka ase county ya Kisumu muliketo Brighton Makoli no ara sensemejo na inde natwaleganelio roboti bunikubwatia
Ero twende kwere ngo cha sobochori bonne bu mwako yoiga ni gobone kiombe kya obochori amone jimbebe IEBC itukuria no kikobotera ne bimbe binde kyanyara ke okora mariganyo na megerio ocha sabaliki bamangana bari barwase county ya Kisii ne Nyamira mone jinse majinde anene yakiba kwero beri nane kibachi okora emirimo yabe kazoju wakachikura cyo mwako yoiga.
Na kuna watu ambao wanasema kwamba system itafanya kazi katika swala la kuiba kura. Lakini nikiangalia hapa ni vigumu sana kuiba kura. Utaweza elezea aje kuhusu hilo swala?
Yeah. So it's okay. Okay, now kwa kuiba kura itakuwa ngumu kwa sababu ukiangalia hii register iko na 657 voters. Same to the register that will be in here. The clerk will be marking if this is voter number 1. Of course, it will also be marked here. So at the end of the day, actually from Satano, with those hours, that they will be reporting to the RO the percentage that of the voters.
The first one in Satano, ingine ni saa 7. After every 2 hours, you report to Nairobi the percentage of voter turnout.
So the PO will make sure the number on the manual register tallies with the number of the votes cast. And again, I'm sure the clerk will also be giving the number of ballot papers issued. Sawa sawa. Akitoa zile spoiled, he will still get the total number. Verify their details, right? Yeah. So this was the same gadget that was used. Now for our case, I can see our windows or our screen has the RTS. The RTS is for transmitting results. At the same time, the voters will verify. After the voter has casted the vote, the same voter, when she comes back, it will reject. It will say the voter has already voted. And in the event that the voter comes there, but he or she is not supposed to vote there, it will direct. It will say the voter does not belong to the polling, so proceed to
station number
now the correct one. Sawa sawa.
Asili tugira rero nige kiombe kyanyara ke okora mariganyo yo na megeria yo ase county ya Kisumu ase abarika mangana ao baikirana elinde gosomiwa na kwemanya ngakibara jokora mangana abo yo report go sikoralia yakaro chikure chigo chiwa kwa ngo report ligeta seni Ndizi TV kurwa ase county ya Kisumu Brighton Makoli.